First, let's make the sleepy eyes. So use long tapestry needle and black cotton yarn. And first, make the long line. Start in the eye socket. First, before you start embroidering the eyes, you need to have the eye sockets finished. If you have the big black line, you can start to embroider 3 eyelashes and start to make eyelashes from the inner corner of the eye. And make the other eye in the same way. And then bring both tails to each other, make a simple knot, and hide them inside the head of the toy. Now let's make the black line under the nose. So use the same cotton yarn, the black cotton yarn, and make one line. It depends on you if you will make a smile or eyebrows. It's up to you. For the nose, I'm going to use chenille yarn, but you can make the cotton yarn instead of chenille yarn. It's up to you. I'm going to use the brown color of the yarn, and I'm going to make just a few stitches above the black line. If it's finished, just bring both ends to each other and tie a knot and hide them inside the hat.